welcome back to my channel, or if you're new then hi, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to be doing a little makeup video today because a few of you asked what makeup I was wearing and stuff in my previous video. I think I have a picture here, so I'll insert it here, of my makeup and what I was like wearing on my face and stuff. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm just going to do a little makeup tutorial, probably just like a kind of look get ready with me. Obviously I'm not going to be going anywhere, so I'll just be doing my makeup to sit in the house. It's a nice really hot day today, so I've got my little boohoo dress on because it's just really warm. So yeah, we're gonna get straight into the video, but before we do, if you aren't subscribed, make sure that you do hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to give this video a big massive thumbs up if you enjoy it. So let's quit the waffling and let's get straight into today's video. So I've already put some moisturiser on my face. I've been using this because my skin is really bad at the moment, my eczema and stuff, so I've been using that, and then I've just put like just a basic moisturiser on. So I'm going to prime my skin. I've been using this one, the Honeydew Me Up, because I really like this one and it's just like one that I've been reaching for and it's like my favourite. So I'm going to put that on. I just really like it and it smells really nice as well, you know. I would normally use a brush, but I'm just going to use my hand today. It's just like really nice and hydrating, and I feel like my skin is just getting an almighty huge drink. So it just feels really good. So foundation, the NYX one, Born to Glow. There's a natural radiant foundation. I use the shade Vanilla, and this is just one that I've been using a lot. Oh my god, I've squirted way too much on my hand there. So yeah, I really like this foundation. I'm just going to apply it with a brush. I have been doing it with a beauty blender, but I just feel like a brush today. So yes, what week are we in quarantine? I think we're in like, oh my god, I don't even know anymore. Are we on like week 6, 7? I have been I feel like I've been in lockdown forever. Like even before we went into lockdown, I wasn't really going anywhere. I was kind of self-isolating anyway. Also, I want to just say, if you can hear background noise, like probably James and stuff downstairs, obviously they're here 24/7. So I struggle to film sometimes with them being around because obviously they're just there and loud. So we're just going to have to make do with it for now. So if you can hear them, I do apologise. So I think I used this concealer, the Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite and the Revolution Conceal and Define Radiance one. I think I used both of these. So I've got the shade C4 in this one and then a little bit lighter, which is shade 2. So I'm just going to put on a little bit of the darker just to cover those bags, and then I put a little bit of light on top. So yeah, it just feels like we've been in lockdown literally forever. I'm just going to apply that. I'm just going to like scoop it over to my eyes because there was a lot of foundation. There was a lot of concealer there, so I'm just going to disperse the product under on my eyelids. Every time I do one of these videos, I get so many comments, and not even good comments, like negative. Like, I just want to say, like, I do my makeup my eyes look so bad, how I do my makeup, and I've always done it like this. It's not everyone's cup of tea. People might consider me putting a lot of makeup on compared to normal, I don't know, but that's just how I like to do my makeup, and I just don't understand what the problem is for other people, because if I like it, then what's the problem? Like, you know? And then I think I went in with, I just used the Primark powder, the setting powder, the Bake It. I kind of just vary, but this was the one that I picked up and I just used this. So I'm going to just set all that concealer. I like this because it's got a little like cushion. You can just get all the product out and oh my god, that's literally just like went all over my face. No, so that's powder done. So for my brows, I just used the brow pomade by Primark. I always use this because, you know, it's my favourite. So that's what I used on my eyes. So yeah, I have no idea what's going to happen, when we're going to be starting to return back to normal, going back to work and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, James is going back to work though, which I'm, in a way I'm glad because, you know, being under each other's feet 24/7 can be a lot, but I have really enjoyed the time that we've spent with him and him being here and stuff. But you know, it's time to start getting back to normal now. I'm not sure when I'll be going back to work, but just gonna have to wait and see. But yeah, okay, so now on to eyes, and for my eyes I used the 9G Oh My GORG Morphe palette. Looks like this, and it's really nice. I love the colours in this. I used this one here, and I used these. I think I used these two, or maybe I just used that one. So I'm gonna go and do that. So I'm gonna go in with the lightest shade, which is the filter. I just put it on the outer corners of my eyes there. So yeah, back to what I was saying before about all like the negative comments I get on my makeup videos, people saying like, oh, is this a joke? No, it's not a joke. I do my makeup how I like to do it, and it's not everyone's cup of tea. People might think it's a lot, it's an excessive amount of makeup that I apply. I don't do it in the right way, I apply it in the completely wrong way. That's fine, you're allowed your opinion, but you know, comments like that can hurt people. And I just do what I like to do. You know, there's nothing else to it. So yeah, I'm just putting that little lighter colour there. All over the lid. I don't know why I've just done half of the lid there. Completely did that wrong. But I'm just going to apply that all over the lid and just buff it out. Just to use it as like a base. So then I'm taking the shade Headshot, which is this nice brown, warm brown shade. And then I am going to apply that to these corners here. Just packing that on. So yeah, I've been using this palette a lot lately, so this is pretty much, I would say, my go-to makeup look at the moment. Like, I've just not been doing anything too intense, so if I do wear my makeup, this is what I've been doing really. So that's that colour done, and then I'm just going to go and darken it with the shade Pose, this colour here, and apply that just there over the top of that colour. And then just sort of blend them together, and that's all I've been doing. And just really like it, just kind of darkens it up a little bit. But this is the eye makeup that I've been using. This is just the eye makeup I've been doing recently. And then I'm just going to take a clean brush, just tap into that filter, the really light shade again, and just kind of go over, buff it out. So yeah, looking good. And then I'm just going to take that shade again, the filter shade, and I'm just going to put it back here just to kind of bring it back to life again, because obviously the colours are kind of mashed into one, and I like that colour to be there. So I'm just going to put that colour back, and then probably just take that brush again and just buff them back like that, just yeah. And then that same brown shade Headshot under the eye. I don't do this often where I put the the eyeshadow on the lower lash line, but I feel like I should because I get really bad creasing and I feel like it doesn't really matter what kind of concealer I use or powder. My eyes are just so dry and they just crease, so this kind of like hides it a little bit. So this has kind of been a little bit of a chit chatty video, but I would love to know what you've been doing in lockdown to keep yourself occupied. Like, have you been baking? I know I've been doing a lot of baking. I've been just trying to do more things for myself that I wouldn't do if, you know, like things that I can do now I've got the time kind of thing. Okay, so that is my eyeshadow done. And then I think all I'd use is the Hoola Benefit bronzer. So I'm just going to do my bronzer and just... So I put a little bit on my nose. I've been doing that recently. I don't normally, but I don't know, I just have. And over the top of that, I've just put my Iconic London Luminous Powder over the top. I love this. It is my favourite. It's just like a really nice bronzer, but it's got that like little sheen to it. It's just nice. It's my favourite bronzer, I think. Fave. All-time fave at the moment. And then I'm just going to do mascara now, and the one that I've been using as of lately is just the Rimmel London Scandalise Volume on Demand. I like this one, so that's what I've been using on my eyes. So highlighter, one I always use, my Sculpt and Go by Focalure. I'm just going to pop some out on my inner corner. That's what I had. And then also on my cheeks as well, highlight. Everyone always asks me about this highlight and I love it. I'm actually obsessed with it, as you can tell, because I use it all the time. So for lips, I have the lip pencil Spice by MAC and MAC Velvet Cheddar. I haven't worn these in such a long time, and then I was like, oh, do you know what, I'm just going to wear them. So that's what I was wearing in the photo. That's what I had on. This is my favourite lipstick. I actually bought this when I went on holiday in the airport because I'd run out. So I got it in duty free. So this is the finished makeup look, guys. This is the makeup that I had on in my recent video. You guys wanted to see a tutorial, so this is my makeup look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just really love this makeup look. It's just simple, it's just nice, and like, it's not too in your face, is it, kind of thing. It's just a really nice makeup look. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure that you do give it a massive big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys.